All right, hi everybody. We're working through the diploma prep material. We're working through the chapter on transformations. We're looking specifically at the section on reflections right now. And what we're taking a look at right now is the inverse reflection. So this is a multiple choice question, but it's a good question. It's an important one. Which of the following restrictions on the domain of the illustrated function will lead to an inverse that is a function? Okay, when you take a parabola like this and find its inverse, okay, the inverse is going to look something like this. Now, this is not a function. Okay, this does not pass the vertical line test. You put a vertical line through it, you hit it in 2 points here. Now, the reason why the inverse is not a function is because, well, I should say it like this. When I restrict the domain here, I want to restrict the domain such that I don't include both sides of the vertex of the original function. That's what's giving me the problem here. Because the function here slides past the vertex, it comes back, and as a result, it cannot satisfy the vertical line test. So let's just take a look at the restrictions here. First of all, it says x is less than 1. Okay, well, I take a look at where 1 is on the graph here. Here's 1 right here. X is less than 1. Well, if x is less than 1, the domain that I'm talking about here includes the vertex. As a result, that domain is no good. That won't work. Okay, so I move on. X is greater than or equal to negative 2. So I go to negative 2. Negative 2 is right here. Greater than or equal to negative 2 includes this part of the function here. And again, it includes the vertex. So that's no good. X is greater than positive 2. So here's positive 2. But greater than positive 2 only does that. So that's the answer I'm looking for. It does not include both sides of the vertex. So when I find the inverse of that, what I'm left with is something that will pass the vertical line test.